Today on CBTV Idaho, we're going to discuss the construction of the new Future Tech building at the College of Eastern Idaho, as well as show you a computer-generated animated rendering of this building. We're going to discuss the construction firm selected to build a highway interchange in Heyburn, and I'm going to give updates on the 17th Street Holmes Avenue construction in Idaho Falls. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. My name is Tyson, and you are watching Construction Business TV, Idaho Falls, Idaho. Welcome back everyone to CBTV Idaho. My name is Tyson and I'm your video journalist for Construction Business TV in the East Idaho area. If this is your first time on the channel, CBTV is your go-to resource for news on all the construction and development projects that are happening in your local area. We're going to kick this off as we always do with a local job construction post lead. So CRH Americas is looking to fill 5 different construction-based positions. All these positions are located in Idaho Falls. They are all entry-level, full-time, and they have a salary range between $45,000 to $50,000 annually. What they're looking for is crush laborers, cement bulker driver, ready mix driver, crush loader operator, and hot plant loader operator. If you have an interest in any of these positions, if you'd like to learn more about any of these positions, or as well as find out how you can apply for them, there's a link in the description below this video. For our top story, we're going to discuss the 17th and Holmes construction update. So the work on 17th Street and Holmes continues to make significant forward progress, which means contractors will be moving into the next phase. Beginning yesterday, May 20th, the eastbound lane closest to the curb on the south side of 17th Street between Holmes and Higby intersection was blocked off for the week. Contractors are now going to be removing and resetting the curb and sidewalk. The project will ultimately add a right turn lane on 17th Street to South Holmes later this summer. The addition of this turn lane will improve traffic flow at this intersection. So they're asking motorists and commuters to please obey posted traffic control signage and watch for construction crews throughout the work zone. As always, I add, if you see them, to give a big thumbs up. Let them know that you appreciate the hard work that they are doing to making your community a safer and more efficient place to live. If you find value in the content that I provide for you every week and you haven't yet, I hope you'll show your support by hitting the like button below the video. And if you want to continue to follow us week to week, you can subscribe to Construction Business TV on YouTube, you can follow us on Facebook, and you can join us on Instagram as well. That's it. Story number 2, we're going to discuss the construction firm that has been selected to build a highway interchange in Heyburn, Idaho, and chosen to oversee construction on an Idaho interchange. The Idaho Transportation Department has chosen Sunt Construction to build the Heyburn interchange in Heyburn, Idaho, the agency announced May 17. The current interchange, according to ITD, is 60 years old, and the project to replace it will cost $91 million. The price tag will cover the replacement of the intersection 84 east-west structures that overpass the Eastern Idaho Railroad and State Highway 24. It will also pay for the construction of a new partial offset diamond interchange with an crossing bridge and the reconstruction of the alignment of existing ramps. The project is slated to begin this spring and will be completed by the fall of 2026. In addition to the Heyburn project, Sunt is also working on the I-84 and I-15 interchange in Pocatello, which is replacing 8 bridges, helping to improve operations, safety, and mobility between the 2 interchanges. The company stated that it is also near the end of the I-15 Fort Hall interchange. For our final story, I'm going to talk about the construction of the new Future Tech building at the College of Eastern Idaho campus in Idaho Falls. So after 3 years of planning, a new Future Tech building at College of Eastern Idaho is finally moving forward. CEI's Board of Trustees recently approved the construction of a 2-level, 88,000 square foot energy, innovation, and technology building in an empty field on the north side of the Idaho Falls campus. Contractors are bidding on parts of the project, which could cost over $36 million in total. The money is being provided by state funds as well as donations from the private sector. Many of the programs that will be held in this building are being held currently in other buildings across campus and will be relocated once the building is complete. Byron Miles, the Vice President of Finance and Administration, says that there are also several new programs which will be implemented in the tech building. The full list is available on their website. So in addition to classroom space, the building will have a conference center, field testing laboratories, and a large gathering area for business and civic events, student group projects, and bay space. Construction is estimated for completion in summer of 2026, and classes are scheduled to be held later that fall. That's going to do it for this week's edition of Construction Business TV in the East Idaho area. Thank you guys so much for your time and your support and following the channel. If you don't know, we come up every Tuesday, 4 o'clock, with new stories on construction projects that are happening in the East Idaho area. So if you want to follow that, you can do so by following us on YouTube. You can follow us on Facebook as well as Instagram. If you see construction projects happening in your area that you would like to know more about, you can let me know in the comment section below the video. Thank you guys so much for your time. Drive safe.